Welcome everybody to the world premiere of the Pants Route documentary. 333 miles, 27,000 feet of elevation, PA north to south, hell of a ride.
We have the world premiere of the Pennsylvania Dirtbags Pants Ride. Everybody, sponsored by Hashimori Bikes. Brio. We got a lot of meat. We inherited some meat. We inherited some brisket. We inherited some ribs. We inherited some pulled pork. It was all a gift from Cavalar, along with some pickles and coleslaw.
What are you expecting to see in tonight's movie?
Adventure, fear, determination, perseverance.
Chris, what are you expecting from tonight's film?
Well, there'll be a lot of slurring, for sure. Hope he's got a couple drinks in him. He's better at speaking with a couple drinks in him. I don't know. I have zero expectations, so it's...
All right, then you can't be disappointed.
No.
What do you think of the pants route?
Pants route was inspiring, you know, just an inspired young man, an inspired middle-aged man after seeing that. Unbelievable. The production, phenomenal. Could have been more Bearcat though.
Could you believe he learned how to edit while he was editing that?
I believe that he put the time in. He put the keyboard time in. He edited the whole thing on a trackpad. Definitely a trackpad the whole way. And you know he got frustrated halfway through and had to buy an Apple product. So you know he started on a Dell, went to a compact because he thought that was going to be something, ended up borrowing a Gateway and then had to break down and get an Apple.
Hush Money, absolutely fantastic weekend out here. Pants film, beautiful tribute to the amazing route that the guys rode. Pants film was absolutely fantastic. Beautiful evening out here.